Hello, dear viewers. Here's your good friend, Fridge the Cat. How have you been? Well, great. Time to check your fridge. There could be a dead body inside, or who knows, hopefully the truth comes out. Tell me, friends, how long has it been since you last opened the refrigerator? Things can change when we're not looking. Heat darkens, liquids thicken, and some things start moving on their own. Today, we'll prepare dinner for those who stopped eating dinner a long time ago. These strips were ribs. Now, their flavor. Fear leaves beautiful veins. This cut is from the left thigh. Firm, fibrous. Someone used to run with it, but doesn't need it anymore. And this was strength, shoulder muscle, perfect for making ground beef or revenge. Sliced potatoes and a little onion, because not everything should taste like despair. And as the dish of the day, we will make a delicious human stew.
Attention, this is a United States government-authorized interruption. The following footage has been classified as unstable material and unauthorized for public broadcast. Illegal dissemination of material archived under Code ECW 13 Fridge has been detected. If you are viewing this message, you have likely been exposed to unauthorized, altered content. If you have seen the subject or believe you have been exposed, turn off your television immediately. Do not open any refrigeration unit, refrigerator, freezer, for at least 6 hours. Do not stare at the screen if the fridge image appears to move without a signal. Immediately contact the following emergency number: 1-800-555-FR13. You may hear it.
He thought he could get rid of me by closing the door, that the cold would silence me. But the cold doesn't destroy, it only preserves. And now, who's talking? Him or me?